Welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. So today's video is going to be dedicated to National Smile Month, which is the UK's longest and largest running campaign for oral health. So you might be wondering, what's the best way for me to be looking after my teeth? Well, a good place to start is to try to make sure that you attend your dentist for a checkup regularly. At least then they can actually pick things up before they develop into something a little bit more serious. So how often should you be going to the dentist? Well, when you do go for a checkup, your dentist will assess your risk factors, your diet, and do a full oral health examination and let you know how often you should be coming in for a checkup. So what should I expect at my checkup? Well, your dentist will ask you about your general health, your diet, and have a look inside your mouth. And when they're looking inside your mouth, they're not just looking at your teeth, they're looking at your gums and all the soft tissues around, so your tongue, your tonsils, your cheeks, and that is to make sure that any disease or any abnormalities is picked up early so it can also be treated early. So in your checkup, your dentist may also include x-rays, and that is to just assess all the teeth and underlying bone to make sure that they get a full view of what's going on. During your dental checkup, usually at the end, your dentist will run through any oral hygiene instructions that you might need, diet advice, and advice on things like stopping smoking. They will also give you a rundown of any treatment that needs to be done, so things like a scaling polish, fillings or extractions, and usually help you to come to a treatment plan together so that you can know what you're doing at your next appointment. Today we're also going to be covering diet advice, so you might be wondering what's good for your teeth and what's bad for your teeth. Generally, sugar is bad for your teeth, and the less you consume it and the less frequently you consume it, the better for your teeth. So you might be someone who likes to snack, that's completely okay. There are lots of healthy snacks out there, healthy for your teeth. So foods such as cheese, crisps and nuts are completely fine for your teeth, but be mindful that if you do have high blood pressure or high cholesterol, that you do consume these in moderation, as too much of it can be bad for your overall health. Another food to be mindful of is acidic foods and fruit juices and drinks that, even healthy ones, you might think they're good for your health, they might actually be causing damage to your teeth and causing irreversible erosion. So fruit juices, as good as they are, try to make sure that you consume them with your main meal and also reduce the frequency of how many of those you have in a day. So thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or comments or any other videos you'd like me to cover, please comment below, and also make sure you subscribe to see any future videos. Thank you for tuning in.